IIP numbers have also come out. IIP numbers for the month of October are below estimates, and I think that is the root reason why markets, just when 12% approximately was the estimate, you got 10.3. So maybe markets are reacting to those IIP numbers. And remember this IIP number which has come out. George, you take it away. You're the expert of this one. But the sense on the market, George, was 6% plus.
And clearly it is looking like the IIP number is the spoil sport over here. The expectation was that we'd see the October number at maybe 8%, maybe even higher. There were estimates of as high as even 12.5 to 13%, but 10.3% is where we stand now. We've got DK Joshi from CRISIL with us here in the studio. Mr. Joshi, 10.3%. It is a good number even compared to the previous month. But Sasa, would you say it is disappointing to the extent that it's significantly below estimates?
Well, it's below estimates, and I think the second fact is that it is a very, very low base. I mean, the base was in the month of September 2008, the growth was around 6%, and in October it had fallen to 0.1%. So the base effect was very strong. So that's why people were expecting it to cross 12%. Our forecast was sub 10%, so we are also positively surprised a bit with this number.
Right, but again, autos have been a sector that has actually supported IIP very strongly in the last few months. We saw auto numbers for the month of October look very good. The November numbers also have come in at a very strong level. So, you know, Mr. Joshi, given all these facts now, for the month of November, I know I'm looking a little ahead now, when the November numbers do come out, should we expect that IIP will have held up at double-digit levels? Maybe we will see numbers that are better than even the October numbers? Yeah,
you could see that because the base effect is going to be much stronger there. I mean, the IIP last year in November had gone into the negative zone. So I think base effect will amplify this year's numbers for November. But I think all depends on the performance of core sector, which for the last 2 months has been pretty weak. And I think unless it reverses its trend, I think the 10% will be kind of a sticky zone, for it, to cross.